Right, take 4. Hopefully less cars and helicopters going past. Hello everybody, and this video may jump around a little bit because I did start looking at this a few weeks ago and I did do some filming, but found that I needed a tool that I didn't have. So we're back on the job now. So first thing, always got to have a donor car. Give a bit of a hint what's going on there. So problem is, the door opens perfectly fine from the outside here, so no problem. See, we can shut the door, open the door, shut the door, use the inside. Where's it gone? Makes lots of noises, nothing clicks. So the challenge when we were taking it apart was getting the screw that holds the front part of the door handle out off. Now, arguably, did you need to take all this off? I'm not 100% sure, because the lock mechanism goes in there, and now that I've seen it, maybe it could have come out, but I think it's, to be honest, a lot easier just pulling it out. Now, the other problem is getting this out. Yeah, you need to undo the window. The window rail gets in the way, so I've got to loosen that off to try and squeeze it out. So it's going to be a bit of fun, but hey, you know, it needs to be done because I'm getting sick and tired of having to open the window or ask someone to open the place up for me to get in. So could have got a new one as well, but this was here, so we're going to use this. This is where, so this little door lock clicks into that. Kind of almost useless, to be honest, because you can't actually unlock the car from it. It's all hidden. I mean, if you're trying to break in, I guess you could try and get around it, but and you can kind of push it to lock it, but you could use a key for that. So got some thoughts and ideas on what I might do with that in the future, but right now we just want to get this done so I can open the car from the inside as we start thinking about going into winter. I really don't want to be having to open the window to get myself out of the car or climb across the passenger side. So first things first, with my car, obviously this is now external, so we're going to take that off. We're going to pull this off to get there's 4 screws, one in there, one behind there. We'll pop this off, and it'll be interesting to see, because now I've got that extra different microphone in there. We've got to pop this off because we've got to disconnect the cable from that little connector there. I'll have a look at my cable versus this one. This one's got a bit of rust on there, and last thing I want is that to break, you know, a few months down the track. So we'll have a look at it, but let's try and take this one out and see how we get on. It almost probably would have been a good time to have a black plastic cover handle, wouldn't it? Swap everything over. But I think getting this handle out would be a lot easier, to be honest, than getting that thing out. So anyway, let's give this a go. Right, they're both out. Obviously this is actually a lot older than this one, because this is from a 2005. That's from a 2002, I think. 2003. Yeah, so this cable's in better condition, so we'll swap that one out. This locking mechanism's definitely not made it through, so it's not. It's interesting. I wonder if the issue is just the cable was. Don't tell me that. God, if this is just that the cable's popped out of there, I may have pulled that one out for nothing. God, that would be terrible. I should have been able to pop that in. But is that just popping out too easily? That's interesting. Got to test that. Right, let's see. Let's give that a test. We're going to put you right there. Let's hook that back on. Click it in there. Alright, so we're going to pretend like the door is locking. So, locking. And then this, if we pull this, oh God, it opens. You're kidding me. So that has opened. So maybe all along, because I thought I heard noises, right? Maybe this was loose. Because obviously if this is loose, when you pull on this, all it does is move this thing along. But I'm sure I heard... the last thing I want to do is put this back in and then find it doesn't work. That would really piss me off. So that's locked. It's falling back very... It's not like it comes back easy, isn't it? So normally you would pull... See that sprung back. Let's have a look. That springs back nicely. And this one, So after all that taking out, all I need to do was reach in and possibly clip that back in. Surely not. Let's try something else. Oh, there's the little spring. Let's try something else. See if hopefully you can see that. Yeah. No, see, there's the problem. It doesn't pop down enough. So if what's going to happen with this? That opens easily. If I pull on this one, now see if I pull on that, it's not, the spring's not activating enough, which is weird. Why would it not do it? Why would it do it on one and not the other one? That is it just dead? That's going to be Interesting, annoying. I've just hurt myself and pulled it all apart for possibly nothing. Yay. We love working on cars, eh? We love working on cars, don't we? Right, she's all back together. There would have been a few bits missed, but that's been a frustrating exercise. Although I know how this all comes apart now and goes back together, but the silly thing is, it was completely a waste of time. I've hurt myself, wasted a whole afternoon. All I need to do is put some WD-40 in there. Anyway, if nothing else, I hope this helps other people work out how to get that locking mechanism out. There you go, I didn't swear. So we still have to put the other one back over there. I need to put the door handle back in the lock in there, so we'll have to come back and do that because it's getting a bit late in the day. So we'll do that. We might chuck a little bit of footage in. Well, we'll see. If we do chuck it in, you would have actually maybe already seen it, because I'm now going to end the video. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care for now.